Yo guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account. As you guys can see, I literally have the Renegade Raider skin in the lobby and I can join my friends. Please make sure to like and subscribe because YouTube is removing a ton of my subscribers and it is very annoying. So if you guys could please like and subscribe and comment W if you guys want more videos like this, because I do like making them and I know you guys like it as well. So let's go on to the tutorial. So you guys want to exit out Fortnite and then you guys want to go into the link of the description. Once you guys are there, there's going to be two buttons. So you guys want to click on the first button. Also, do keep in mind that unsubscribing will not work. If you guys are already subscribed, just wait on the website so it doesn't confuse it. So you guys want to subscribe to myself and then go back onto the website and subscribe to my friend. So go back onto the website and subscribe to my friend, and then you guys can proceed with these steps. Also, it takes around 15 to 35 seconds for the link to actually unlock. So please do be patient with this, and then once you guys have unlocked the link, you guys can proceed with the following steps, including the link for ties, which is right here. So to do this, you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and then you guys want to press free access with ads. So go through these very simple steps and then download Fortnite dev, and then you guys want to save it and then click on the file. So press download. And once you have downloaded it, just press save. Double click on the download. It's going to run automatically as an administrator. And then you guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. And then you guys want to be on the Beacons AI link, which is right here. So you guys want to scroll down and find Rex FN. Once you guys have found Rex FN, it's just going to automatically join their Discord server. So once you guys are here, you're just going to want to react to the rules and make sure that you have everything and you have the channels unlocked. So once you guys have that, you guys can proceed with the steps and go into the anywhere all platforms. So you guys want to go in the how to use channel, and then you guys want to go onto the Rex FN Anywhere website. It's going to be another link for ties link. Unfortunately, it's going to be a couple more link for ties links, so don't worry about that, but it is definitely worth it in the end. So like I said, just be patient with this and it will definitely pay off. So you guys just want to go through the same link for ties process that we did earlier. So press next, decline the promotions, and then open the website. And then you guys want to launch. If it asks for an authorization code, just go back into the Discord and then go to the link for ties process for the authorization code. But now I'm going to be going over how to do this on mobile. So you guys want to go through the same steps. So go on link for ties onto your iPhone, and then when you guys are here, you guys just want to go and do the same steps that you did earlier. Do link for ties to your iPhone, and it should eventually unlock the Rex FN Anywhere website, which is right here. So you guys want to go on launch, and then you guys want to actually add that bot and load up Fortnite. So we're gonna add the bot, and you guys can load this up on any console. So if you guys are on Nintendo Switch or Xbox, you guys can load up Fortnite on your Xbox or Nintendo Switch and actually add that username on the website. And then once you guys have added the username, you guys should have the Fortnite dev. Technically this is a lollybot, but you guys can control the skins through a website. So that's why we actually call it Fortnite dev, because it's very customizable and it's almost as good as a Fortnite dev. And you guys can join parties with this. So if you guys want actual Fortnite devs, I will do those in the future. I already have some tutorials on them, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, as you guys can see, it is completely working. And if you guys want to change the skin, you guys just want to go on the website and actually join the party. And then once you guys have joined the party, you guys can go into the website and change whatever skin you want through this website, which is pretty cool. You guys can even wear the Black Knight, Aerial, Assault Trooper, and Renegade Raider, which are one of the most OG skins. I don't think there is a way to get Pink Gold Trooper, unfortunately, yet, but I will let you guys know when there is an update on that. So make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates for further notice on Fortnite dev, etc. So yeah, we can really put on the Black Knight skin. I'm just going to showcase this dev really quick for you guys. So we're just going to go through the exclusive skins, which is the Wonder skin. We also do have the iconic skin, so we can wear the iconic skin in the lobby as well, which is pretty cool. Also guys, you guys can do emotes, so you guys can even do the scenario emote while using this Fortnite dev. So we're going to do the floss real quick, or take the L. We're going to do take the L. I'm pretty sure they have it on this website. I may have spelled it wrong. Okay, take the L. And then we can actually use the emote in game. and we can even do floss as well. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit delayed, but we have done it through console using mobile. So I'm also going to, so yeah, it should be working. And you guys can even do pickaxes as well. I don't really know too much information on the pickaxes, so I will let you guys know further notice on that. But that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully this did work for you, that you guys can even test out unreleased items in this as well. So like I said, hopefully this did work for you. If it did not, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be gladly to assist you with further notice. But I'm going to go. That's going to be the end of today's video. I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace out.